What's up, YouTube? Jeff back again today with a very exciting Samsung video for you guys. And today we are talking about the Galaxy S25 Ultra S Pen. You guys may know that at the launch of the phone, we found out that the S Pen on the S25 Ultra does not support Bluetooth, the one that comes in the phone. But I have some great news today. Samsung has released a message on one of their websites saying that there will be a Bluetooth S Pen available for purchase. And it's actually already up on the Amazon UK page for order. So I'm going to talk about that today. And yes, I do have an S25 Ultra. I got this one from eBay. This is not a review unit. It's not one that I purchased from Samsung directly. I had to pay a lot of money to get this from someone who had it early, but I finally have one. And before I could even set it up, the news broke about this, and I wanted to let you guys know because I know a lot of people held off on purchasing because of this. So we covered this over at Sammy Guru. If you want, you can see it on the mystery box program still. If you tap on the orange banner, if you're in the US and you're going to order S25 device, you get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other cool goodies. Just use our affiliate link right here to order. Fill out the verification form, and we'll start shipping the first wave of boxes, the first 1,000 boxes, February 3rd. So that's what's going on with the mystery box. Check it out in the pinned comment description. So we just covered this. Basically what's going on is Samsung said at launch that there is no Bluetooth S Pen available here in the US or any region on the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the device. So it doesn't come with a Bluetooth S Pen. And in fact, the S Pen on this is a lot lighter. You can actually tell quite a bit. I have my S24 Ultra over here, and I'll show you guys the difference in the two menus here in a second as well. But this one's just a lot lighter. Basically, all you've got here are your just regular air command actions. These don't, these don't require anything that you would expect to see from, air actions, which is like the remote shutter, all that, controlling stuff from above with all the gestures. You don't have any of that here. So if you notice, here's the S25 Ultra. And let me bring in the S24 Ultra over here. I'll take the S Pen out over here. You can see the S24 Ultra, the S Pen has the air actions at the very top. So you guys can see right there. And these two S Pens actually are quite a bit different in weight. The one here for the Bluetooth one, they're about the same size, but you can definitely feel this one's heavier. And of course, that's because of the fact that it does have that Bluetooth compatibility and has to be charged up and things like that. So you can see the difference in the two menus here. You don't have the air command, you don't have the air actions that you have on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. However, this upset a lot of fans, right? A lot of Samsung fans have been very upset about this. And so apparently Samsung has listened and decided to bring back a Bluetooth S Pen for the S25 Ultra. Now, if you look on their website, on the standard, S25 Ultra listing, you'll notice that it's not there. However, over on their business website, Samsung Insights, if you scroll down, this is an article they wrote about boosting productivity with the S Pen. And this was written back on the 24th. So it was actually yesterday. I'm recording this on the 25th. Scroll down to the 7th point here. You'll see where it says that do more with the S Pen. Down here, you'll see number 7. Let's find it. Set gestures. The Bluetooth-enabled S Pen, now sold separately, acts as a remote control within select apps to help maximize productivity. Press the button to get your air actions, available gestures, take your photos, all this cool stuff. Everything, PowerPoint controls, everything that we know air actions is all about. So apparently you'll be able to buy an S Pen that looks like this one, right? That's going to fit inside your Galaxy S25 Ultra. And it's going to have all the stuff that we had on the S24 Ultra. Now you might say, well, when is Samsung going to sell this? Well, it turns out, like I said, I barely got this set up. But however, Amir, who's over on X, he did send this to us, the version on the UK Amazon page. So if we go down here, and so if you notice here, this is the Amazon UK page. He has a link for it as well, which I can drop below in the description if you guys want to check it out. Now I did check, this is not available in the US yet, so it's not on the Amazon US page. He also figured something else out, which is he found that the model number for the one on Amazon is the same as the one on Samsung's website. So it is still possible that this could be Samsung just made a mistake on their business website, but it is very weird because it says in parentheses on their business website, now sold separately, meaning that it wasn't with the S24 Ultra and now it's sold separately. So it seems like it'd be a weird mistake to me, even though the model numbers are the same. So one of these two things could be a typo, but it's at least possible that Samsung has brought the Bluetooth S Pen back because Samsung fans have been so vocal and been so upset about the fact that they had removed it with the S25 Ultra. Anyway, I've got a lot of Samsung content coming, of course, all the stuff on the S25 Ultra now that I have the phone. I want to let you guys be aware of this. Again, if this is some sort of typo, I'll follow up. And of course, I'll have a post on Sammy Guru. I just want to let you guys know there is this possibility that we could have Bluetooth availability if you purchase an add-on potentially on your S25 Ultra, get air actions and all that good stuff back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you check out the mystery box program if you guys are interested. The little orange banner at the top of our website. Appreciate you guys checking it out, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.